Today I'm going to share you how to make a pizza for 2 minutes in the microwave. So I'm going to show you the ingredients, but first, can you please subscribe to my channel, Lourdes McRae, Pinay in New York, cooking. So you need, you can use any fish or sardines or tuna or this one. But now I'm using this. You just chop tiny, and then tomatoes slice, and just arrange it into your, I'm using bread, so just try to arrange your tomato into your bread, and adding a chopped fish, and then the mozzarella, and it is going to the microwave for 2 minutes. See, you can add any spicy that you want, but for the children, if like you make it for the children, just try to make it plain. So for now, I like it plain, but you can add any spices like herbs, basil, black pepper, or you can add bell pepper on here, chop. So this is going to microwave for 2 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna take you to my microwave. I'm so sorry. So it's like that. So when you are cooking in the microwave, try to be careful with the time. It depends on your microwave, if this is stronger, or always try to start in 2 minutes, and then you can add more minutes if you think you need it. So I'm doing it in 2 minutes, and if you can see, and then I have one here that is ready. See guys, very quick, you have a nice lunch. From work, you're busy, try to make something to eat. Very quick. If you have a microwave, you can do a lot of things. So until next time, I will cook again in the microwave. Please subscribe to my channel, Lourdes McRae, and share and comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. God bless everyone.